Welcome back to my channel YouTube, and this is the 4th episode of my Python for Everybody series. And today we're gonna be taking another quiz. Let's go to week 4. Okay, it's the quiz on chapter 2, so let's get started. Question 1. Which of the following is a comment in Python? The one with the hash or pound sign in the front is the comment, so the first one. Again, be mindful that the options keep shuffling, so it might not be the first one for you. Moving on to the second question. In the following code x equal to 42, what is x? X is a variable. Question 3. Which of the following variables is the most mnemonic? And if you don't know what mnemonic means, it means something that can be remembered easily. So it's hours that can be remembered most easily. Question 4. Which of the following is not a Python reserved word? Iterate is not a reserved word. Question 5. Assume that the variable x has been initialized to an integer value. For example, x equals 3. What does the following statement do? X equals x plus 2. It would retrieve the current value for x, add 2 to it, and put the sum back into x, so it's this one. Question 6. Which of the following elements of a mathematical expression in Python is evaluated first? It's always parentheses. Question 7. What is the value of the following expression? 42% 10. They're basically asking you what is the remainder when you divide 42 by 10. Well, it's 2. Question 8. What will be the value of x after the following statement executes? Well, this will be calculated first, followed by this, and then the entire addition will take place. So 1 plus 6 minus 2 is 5. Question 9. What will be the value of x when the following statement is executed? X equals int 98.6. Well, the decimal place will be removed. It's not 99, it's 98. Question 10, the last question. What does the Python input function do? Pause the program and read data from the user. And I'm done. Let's see how I did. Full marks again. I'm getting good at this. Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more problem solving videos. Till next time, what's your problem?